15. Easy ways to add this superfood turmeric to your diet. Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into an incredible superfood that's probably already in your kitchen, turmeric. This golden spice has been used for centuries for its powerful health benefits, and I'm going to show you how easy it is to include it in your daily meals. Whether you're looking to fight inflammation, boost your immune system, or just try something new, these turmeric recipes will get you there. Let's jump in. 1. Golden milk. Turmeric latte. One of the most soothing ways to enjoy turmeric is by making a cup of golden milk. All you need is warm milk, any kind you like, almond, oat, or regular milk, a dash of turmeric, black pepper for better absorption, honey, and warming spices like cinnamon or ginger. It's like a cozy, health-boosting hug in a mug. 2. Turmeric smoothies. For those who love smoothies, this one's for you. Just add a teaspoon of turmeric to your favorite smoothie blend. It goes great with fruits like mango, pineapple, or banana, and pairs beautifully with ginger and coconut milk for that tropical kick. 3. Turmeric tea. Turmeric tea is a simple, quick way to get your turmeric fix. Just boil water with turmeric powder or fresh turmeric root, add a little lemon juice, honey, and a pinch of black pepper. It's a warm, immune-boosting drink that's perfect any time of day. 4. Curries. If you've ever made a curry, you've probably already used turmeric. Whether you're whipping up an Indian curry, a Thai dish, or a hearty stew, adding turmeric will not only enhance the color but also supercharge the health benefits. 5. Turmeric rice. Brighten up your rice by adding turmeric to the cooking water or broth. The golden hue is gorgeous, and it pairs perfectly with veggies, chicken, or fish for a simple but nutritious meal. 6. Turmeric scrambled eggs. Looking for a healthy twist on your morning eggs? Sprinkle a pinch of turmeric into scrambled eggs or an omelet. It adds a subtle, earthy flavor and boosts the nutritional value of your breakfast. 7. Turmeric salad dressing. Upgrade your salads by making a turmeric vinaigrette. Just whisk together olive oil, lemon juice, honey, and turmeric, and you've got a zesty, healthy dressing that's as vibrant as it is nutrition. Please, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and tap that notification bell so you don't miss out on more health tips and delicious recipes. Thanks. 8. Turmeric roasted vegetables. Roasted veggies are a fan favorite, and adding turmeric makes them even better. Toss your veggies, like cauliflower, carrots, or sweet potatoes, with olive oil, turmeric, black pepper, and spices before roasting them for a flavorful, anti-inflammatory side dish. 9. Turmeric soups and stews. Adding turmeric to soups and stews is a game changer. It works beautifully in lentil, chicken, or vegetable soups, giving them an earthy flavor and a boost of nutrients. 10. Turmeric smoothie bowls. Take your smoothie bowl to the next level by sprinkling a little turmeric on top. Pair it with granola, seeds, or fresh fruit for an extra health boost and a splash of color. 11. Turmeric hummus. Want to give your hummus a golden twist? Blend in some turmeric along with chickpeas, tahini, and garlic. It's a colorful, tasty dip that's perfect for snacking. 12. Turmeric in baking. Yes, you can bake with turmeric too. Add a little turmeric to muffins, breads, or even cookies. Its subtle flavor adds a unique touch to both sweet and savory recipes. 13. Spice rubs for meat and fish. Mix turmeric with spices like cumin, paprika, and coriander to create a flavorful rub for chicken, fish, or lamb. Grill or roast for a delicious meal that's packed with flavor and health benefits. 14. Turmeric pickled vegetables. When pickling veggies like cucumbers, onions, or radishes, add a pinch of turmeric to the brine. It gives your pickles a gorgeous golden hue and a unique flavor twist. 15. Turmeric energy balls. Need a healthy snack on the go? Mix oats, nuts, dates, coconut, and a dash of turmeric to make energy balls or protein bars. They're tasty, easy to make, and loaded with nutrients. Please, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and tap that notification bell so you don't miss out on more health tips and delicious recipes. Thanks.